Hey everyone! In today's video, Sarah will share her daily routine with you. You'll also learn some useful vocabulary and phrases that are common in everyday conversations. This is a great chance to practice your English listening and speaking skills. So, listen closely and improve your English every day. Now let's get started.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm a homemaker and I love looking after my family. Every day is different, but here's a glimpse of my daily routine. My day begins early, right when the sun rises. The first thing I do is prepare breakfast. My family loves pancakes and eggs, so I often make those. After breakfast, I take my kids to school. Once they're off, I tidy up the house. Keeping our home clean and organized is really important to me. It makes everything feel cozy and welcoming. Later in the morning, I head to the grocery store. I pick up fresh fruits, vegetables, and other essentials. Once I'm back, I start preparing lunch. I always try to make something balanced and healthy. While lunch is cooking, I water my plants and check on my garden. After lunch, I help my children with their homework. We make it fun by turning studying into a game sometimes. In the afternoon, I start preparing dinner. Evenings are family time. Once everyone's asleep, I take a moment to unwind and reflect on my day. Being a homemaker is busy, but it's worth it to see my family happy.